Good morning, my dear students, all of you. So, students, in previous lecture, we completed the block 5 as well as block test and worksheet. So, I hope your worksheet is completed. So, my dear students, today we revise the block number 6. We revise the block number 6 in subject maths. Okay. So, my dear students, block number 6. What is the name of block number 6? So, name of the block number 6 is the elapsed time. What is the name of block number 6? Elapsed time. Okay. So, my dear students, in this block we study about the elapsed time as well as how we converting the time, hours into minutes and minutes into hours. So you know that the 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it is a basic point or basic formula in the elapsed time. So, in the first lesson, the name of first lesson is converting time. What is the name of first lesson? Converting time. So, my dear students, you know that how we convert the time, hours into minutes and minutes into hours. So, first of all, suppose 3 hours. Here we have one example, 3 hours. So, tell me how we convert hours into minutes. So, 3 hours. You know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Therefore, 3 hours into or multiplied by 60. Why? Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Means that एक तास म्हणजे 60 मिनिटे म्हणून 3 hours म्हणजे किती मिनिट्स हे काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय केलं पाहिजे? एका तासाचे 60 मिनिटं. सो 3 तासाला आपल्याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. सो 3 hours into 60 is equal to. So here we solve the example. 60 into 3. 3 0 0. 6 3 are 18. So answer is 180 minutes. 180 minutes. What is the answer? 180 minutes. Okay. So my dear students, then suppose we take a second example like the 120 minutes. At the time of conversion of minutes into hours, we convert the minute into hours with the help of divide with the 60. Why? Because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. जर आपल्याला hours 60 minutes मध्ये करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला आलेल्या hours ला 60 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. जर आपल्याला 60 minutes 1 hour करायचं असेल तर आलेल्या minutes ला 60 ने डिवाइड करायचं. ओके, एवढा फॉर्म्युला लक्षात ठेवला की आपल्याला इलेप्स टाइम येतो. सो 120 मिनिट्स. सो इथं आपण काय करायचं? 120 डिवाइडेड बाय किती काढायचं आपल्याला? याचे मिनिट्स काढायचे. सो यू नो दॅट द 60 मिनिट्स इज इक्वल टू 1 आवर. देयरफॉर 60 0 0 कॅन्सल. 6 1 are 6 6 2 are 12. So it is equal to 2 hours. Understand first lesson? Okay. Then second is the finding elapsed time. Second lesson name is finding elapsed time. So my dear students, in this lesson we find out the elapsed time. So what is mean by elapsed time? Always we minus the starting time from the end time and then we find out the elapsed time. So suppose here give an example. The start time, work in groups show the following times So it is a only shows the times on a cardboard. Suppose the start time is equal to start time is equal to 10 hours 5 minutes and end time is equal to 2 hours 41 minutes. So sorry, here 12. Huh? So my dear students, first of all we take a simple example for your good understanding. Okay, so how we find out the elapsed time? At the time of finding elapsed time, so here first of all we write the end time 12 hours 4 minutes minus start time 10 hours 5. Sorry, here we take the same number for the subtraction because you good understanding. Okay, then we solve the difficult examples. Okay, so end time is at 12 hours 5 minutes and start time is at 10 hours 4 minutes. Then we subtract these numbers. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 2 minus 0 2, 1 minus 1 0. So answer is 2 hours 1 minute. Okay, understand? Then the next lesson name, finding start time or end time. Here is this example. Question number 3, lesson number 3, finding start time. Finding start time or end time. Finding start time or end time. So my dear students, you know that suppose here give the start time. Start time is 10:45 and the period is after 2 hours. इथे जर सांगितलं असेल तुम्हाला 10:45 आता आहेत आणि 2 hours नंतर काय टाइम असेल. So you draw the one timeline and on this timeline you mark out the 10, 11, 12, 13, 12, 1, 2, 3. So you know that the 10:45 means after the 10 but just before the 11. This is a 10:45 and from here we count the 2 hours. So suppose 1 hour and here 2 hours. So 1 hour and here 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour is equal to 2 hour. So which time? So time is a 12:45. Understand how we count? Okay. So my dear students, the next is the lesson number 4. In 4th lesson we study about adding and subtracting time. Adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting time. So how we add and subtract the time? Like your examples, you know that the addition example, subtraction example like this, but here we use the units and we convert the hours into minutes and minutes into hours. So suppose 1 hour, here is the one example, 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes plus 45 minutes. So how we add these numbers? So here we write the hours and here we write the minutes. Okay, so which hours? 1 hour, then minutes plus 45 minutes. So 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. And here 1. So my dear students, you know that the 1 hour is 260 minutes. Therefore, we transfer the 60 minutes here and here. Write down 75 minus 16 is equal to 15 and here 2. So answer is 2 hours 15 minutes. Understand? Means that here the minutes converted into the hours. So my dear students, today's homework of subject maths, solve the all homework examples in your notebook, because these examples are very helpful, as well as in our exam starting from 9th August to 18 August. In this period we completed our unit test first. Therefore, you study about the block number 1 to 5 and send me with the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.